Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 33 of Build HMS Victory.
Ring the bell!
If you joined me in the last video, I'm filling out the stern gallery, and I've just got so far up. So in this next video I'm going to carry on all the way up to the top of the gallery side. So over the weekend I've just been making some more mouldings up. And obviously this one is for the side section. I'll put a picture on screen as I've done before so you can see what we're talking about. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to mark this last moulding. I'm just going to trim this back. Because this is like a dexterous part and it comes all the way down. This first side moulding. And that's going to line up flush with the back of the gallery. Okay, so this first piece of trims in. And I'm going to start obviously planking the next section like I did there. But I've been thinking about the windows, what to do with them for the best. And I'm actually thinking that I was going to obviously paint it all and then fit the windows. But I'm thinking about actually just fitting the windows first. And then masking them off and painting them after. Okay, that's the first three windows and they're just only held in just as a temporary fix. It'll be mainly fixed in 100% bare, obviously with the planking that'll go over, and the dexterous mouldings that'll fill in the sides like we did before. Like I did before. There's planks tape on each end. I'll sort that a few seconds while the glue goes off. Okay, so all this section's dry now. I've added another layer of planking like I did before, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start adding in these window separations. They're just going to fit in between each window. Okay, all I was doing before is obviously when I fitted this part, I just slightly cut that moulding too short. So all I did is I put a little block of 2x2 in. So obviously that's what I was doing, I'm just trimming that end off so I can fit in the last window moulding. Okay, so I've put all the mouldings in to separate the windows. The windows don't look too bad. All I'll have to do, I'll just have to mask it off when I paint all the gallery side. But that's not too much of an issue. Okay, so we'll move up like we did before, and I'm going to fit them next moulding above this window. Okay, so like I've done before, when I fit in the mouldings above the window that carve around the gallery, I want the instant grab. So I just tend to use super glue for this section. Just hold out for a few seconds while the glue dries. Okay, so while the glue dries on the textured moulding I've just added, I'm just going to figure out a way to fit these bottom windows. So I've decided I've just cut the windows down a lot smaller than they were. I'm just going to kind of I left some material on this section in the purpose of adding the windows. So what I'm going to do is obviously I'm just going to, don't want you in there, just going to drop a little bit of super glue just on this bottom section, and that'll glue the first part of the window in, and just hold it while we do the rest of the work. So that's okay for the bottom, but there's nothing at the top. So what I decided to do is obviously, because I left that little bit of material, I'm going to put a little strip of 1x1, sorry, 1.5 by 1.5 on the bottom of the window. That's going to fit in nice there and close that space up. Tight this with a little bit of super glue. Just fits that piece, and then I'm just going to feed a little bit of super glue in from the side, and let the capillary action glue it into place. And then I'll just push it in slightly. Too much. Push it back. Yeah, just hold that there. Hold that window. See, there's nothing behind that window, so I'm just going to hold the window and just push that frame in enough. Yeah, that's okay. That. Okay, so I'll just finish all them last 3 windows off, just same as I did the first 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fill in this section. So I'm just going to put my first plank on, and then just kind of cut it following this tape that's going up pretty much all the way up the gallery. Plenty of PVA. Fits nice, that. Just cut a second. Just repeat the process all the way up. Okay, so just added 2 more planks. That just fills that section in nice. Obviously it just flows really nice up the gallery. Okay, so I'm just glued in the 3 windows, just attached them in loosely. But I've had to raise them up slightly so I can give myself enough room to add the baluster rail in. And also then the next layer of blanking. Okay, so it's working its way up the gallery. I'm just going to add another piece of decorative moulding. Just needs a little final trim. I've done before, where all these mouldings have to be slightly bent and curved. Just adding super glue. And just holding in place while the glue dries. So I've just got 2 final layers of planking just above the windows, just to fill in this section and another section above that. Just going to slip a second planking above this one. So I just added a pin and a scrap of wood just behind that top plank, just so I can just pin it a little bit squarer. Okay, so it's time to add the top moulding. Just going to mark it to length. Just like I've done before, just add in super glue for the quick easy grab. Just holding the moulding down with a pin and a piece of scrap. I need to raise the roof slightly of the gallery. It's a little bit too short now, so I'm just going to add some planking and just make it up. I'm just using some excess planking I've got left over and just building it up above the gallery section. And then just having another layer on top of that. That's going to just give me the required height I need. That's also 2 extra layers of planking added to lift up the gallery. And now I can just fill it. Okay, so all I want to do now is I want to build up this section of the gallery. So I'm just going to put this temporary plank in. I'll just obviously stop all the filler from falling out. And obviously I'll build the rest of this gallery section up when I build the gallery. So all I'm going to do now is just, I've got this part in, it's part 65. I've got it way back. Never used it, so I've saved it. I'm just going to put it on the top. I'm just going to just temporary it in place, just so I can use a nice curve, a filler around this gallery roof. So I've just been mixing up some filler, just like before, just the hobby light filler. Just slightly smoothed it down with some water. I'm just going to start to just try and not get it everywhere. Okay, so I've added all the filler to the top of the gallery roof. And also just brushed a little bit of filler into this sections. So obviously when we paint it, it'll smooth and flow better. Yeah, it's going to take a good 24 hours to dry. And obviously then it's not quite right, so once it's dry it just needs a little bit of shaping and shaving just to make it look a little bit more, obviously how it should look. But obviously once you've filled it, there's nothing you can do with it. So anyway, I'm going to leave this video for today, and obviously when we come back next time I'll finish off this section, and I'll also start working on the stern section of the gallery and start adding all the windows and building that up. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you all next time.